Right, the green one. He done fell down in there. Stuck, but oh goodness. The ginormous tower with the quarters is moving. We'll move some more. It's teetering. Oh, nice. That worked out pretty good. Only lost 1 ounce of gold. We might even be able to get that one back. It's hanging over the edge of that red shelf pretty good. Stay on this right side. Goodness, let me grab the quarters. I ran out. It's doing amazing now. Oh yeah. Nice, we just made $37,040. And I think 2 ounces of gold. Yeah, 2 ounces.